Hello everyone, I'm here Solution Fields, Department of Prosthetics and Orthopedics, Bangladesh Health Professional Institute. From the beginning of the video, you saw me, I'm about to fall, but I didn't. I balanced myself. How? There's a strategy behind it. What's the strategy? There's stability, base of support, and restoring balance. What are those? I will talk about it today. So let's go. You know, when a person walking, he walks across some area. That area called the base of support. That's mean the base of support is the area on which he walks or support or stable. In the picture, you saw the man and the chair. There, they have a colored area under them. This colored area indicates the base of support. That means the area they consume for standing and stable. That area is the base of support of them. In the middle picture, the man indicates a small base of support cause his leg is nearly to each other. In the right side of the picture, the man indicates the large base of support because he took more area. And on the left side indicates the man the long base of support because he is straightforwardly standing. It creates long base of support but not give more benefit because if he push from either sides, he will fall. So the right side of the picture has the more advantage. Here I am standing in two legs, which has more base of support. But when I am standing at one leg, it's hard to stand because I have less base of support. And the gravity is also pulling me from that side. That's why when we walking, we use both legs to make more stability. Always remember that the more base of support you have, the more stable you are. Now, we're going to talk about restore balance. What is restore balance? Restore balance is the process of maintaining stability. When there is instability, we have some tendencies to restore balance by doing some strategies. There are four strategies: ankle strategy, hip strategy, suspensory strategy, and stepping strategy. In this video, indicates the ankle strategy. For low or slow amplitude of the area, the ankle strategy works. When I go forward or backward, here have low amplitude. For the large amplitude of the area, the hip strategy works. When I bend forward, backward, right side or left side, the hip strategy acts. For the suspensory strategy, when I am jumping, there have some suspension in my body which prevent me from falling. For the stepping strategy, when I am walking and suddenly someone push me, I protect myself from falling by stepping to the front. That's how the stepping strategy works. Now we have learned a lot about walking and restoring balance. I hope it's helpful for you all to understand. So goodbye for today and walk properly.